Now here are a couple of cool things about Notion.lol. So now we've set up this page, and if you go here and click, you'll see that there's Google Analytics already enabled for this site. And Google Analytics right now is coming using the default Google Analytics code that has been set up for this page. However, we want to create our own page, and let's go over the process for doing that. Simply head over to your analytics link, which I'll pop into the article, and now I'm going to search for this what is called an asset, blog.notion.lol. All right, so this is not here. So let's create that. Simply head over to whichever account you want, and I think I've created this in this account, so let's just create it here. And let's do it here. So now let's create an account, and for that I'm going to go to admin and accounts, property details. This is for this one, so let's create a property. So we're going to create a property called blog.notion.lol. Let's retain this for save now. I can add 2,000 more properties, gosh. All right, industry, let's call it internet. Let's call it education actually. This is more educational. Small business. Head over to next. Let's just choose everything. Sales, leads, traffic, user engagement. This can't be created. Okay, we all set. So now our site has been created, and let's just choose the platform. Choose the platform, set up your web stream, HTTPS, blog.notion.lol, blog.notion.lol. All of this is fine. Create and continue. Okay, that's been created. And next, so let's head over to that and have a Google tag. And now, okay, you can see this has been set here. Install manually, all right. And here's where I'm going to update this thing, update the Google code, basically Google tag code into the site. And for that, I'm just going to my site. This is the blog.notion.lol. I'm going to here and update the GA code. The GA code stands for Google Analytics code. Once you're there, simply click refresh. Okay, here some bugs here, so let's just refresh the site. We'll fix those bugs slightly later. All right, so simply click on refresh, and you should be all set. Site is being refreshed. In a couple of seconds, you'll also get a confirmation, because this is a small site and big sites kind of this gets queued, and you'll get an email notification once the site has been refreshed. All right, just another couple of seconds. I think this will take up a minute or so. And there you go, it's refreshed. Simply head over here. Nothing has changed here. But let's go to the source. And you'll see now this is ending in v2w. And you refresh it, you've got it ready and live on your new Google Analytics code. Simply click on Analytics, test the installation. There you go. It was correctly detected, and confirm. That's it. I guess that's it here. Okay, so this is the measurement ID, and I think the page, yeah, there you go. All right, so that's the way you set up Google Analytics onto site and really benefit from all the stuff that happens on Google Analytics.